you guys are trolling me too bad. You guys are killing me in the chat. Jordan said Jordan's homeless. No sound. Jordan's taking a dookie. Oh man. Anyways, let's jump back into the charts. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Still crap. I don't believe you. I don't believe you this time. I don't believe you guys. I like turtles. Still terrible. Yeah. Anyways, I'm not believing you guys. I'm not believing you. You tricked me. You tricked me this time, okay? You tricked me. I know you guys are tricking me, okay? I know you guys are tricking me. So don't say, don't even start. Don't even start. Anyways, Bitcoin at 43,000. We're getting a little bit of a dump. We're getting a little bit of the dump. Coming back down to 42,931. That's the first level of support that I'm looking here for Bitcoin. Okay, that's the first level that I'm looking here for Bitcoin. All right. But yeah, 42,900. So what will happen next? All right, will Bitcoin come a little bit lower back down to this like $41,800 level? That's the question. Yes, guys, I am on a laptop. Okay, I am on a laptop, and that's kind of where I'm at. I'm at a laptop. I'm in an unknown location. I was not kidnapped. Okay, I was not kidnapped. I'm not in the studio tonight. I told you guys I'd be somewhere different tonight. I told you guys. Someone said Jordan's homeless. It sounds like you're streaming live from inside a whale's intestines. Oh man, that's cool. That's absolutely hilarious, man. That's absolutely hilarious. Blink twice if you need rescue. There we go. Anyways, let's jump into the 4 hour. The one thing I'll say on the 4 hour time frame, guys, right? The one thing that I'll say on the 4 hour time frame is if you look at the 4 hour time frame, we were in this falling wedge, right? And Bitcoin actually did come back down to test that falling wedge. You did come back down to test that falling wedge, okay? You came back down to test it. So will we get that next move back up to the upside after come back down and test that falling wedge and come back up and test the $46,000 range? Or where once again, Bitcoin get rejected like it kind of continues to do, come up, get rejected at that $46,000 level. We're also actually the 4 hour 20 EMA actually already sits. And and then comes back down to like the 39.6 level, which we still think is going to happen, right? We still think that Bitcoin's going to come back down to that $39.6 level. Okay, so if we round back out here, you know, that's what we're expecting, right? We've been talking about this for how long, guys? We've been talking about this for absolute weeks. That Bitcoin might come back down to that $39.6 level one more time. Okay, one more time. I don't want to hear everyone in the chat going, Jordan, you didn't tell me this. You didn't tell me that Bitcoin was going back down to 39K. You didn't tell me that. You said we were going straight up to the moon. Nope. I've been telling you guys that for weeks. Okay. Bathwater said he's pooping too. Nice man. Nice man. We're all pooping, just like George would say. I'm pooping. We're all pooping, right? That's what we all say. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna do this. Now you guys can't see me pooping. How about that? You guys can't see me pooping. BGH said I found the stream. There you go, BGH. It's not a stream without you in here, man. But anyways, let's get back into the charts. Why is Jordan Java's room? I don't know, man. I'm gonna move this over here. Here we go. Anyways, yeah, I mean, the 4 hour chart is looking like it could be a back test, right? We don't know yet, but we got to see what we do for the rest of the stream. We got, you know, as long as we stream for ready to go. But right now, Bitcoin's in the same boring range that we've been in for the past 3 days, man. The past 3 days. We can hear you pooping. I can't do it today. Jumping onto the daily, right? We're still in this big falling wedge in the daily chart that we know eventually, if this does break out, which we do think it is, it just might take to the end of January. This might take, another 2 weeks to play out, but this has a target of all the way back up to 69K. Of course, it's 69K. Why would it be any other number, by the way? All the way back up to 69K. So keep that in mind, right? We still have this daily chart that still could play out over time. Okay, still could play out over time. But nevertheless, we got to see. We got to see if can Bitcoin get that upwards momentum back up to the daily, break back above that $46,000 range, right? Break that $53,000 range, and then come all the way back up here, right? We're still in the woods, as Ben Cowan would say. We're still in the woods. I think he's broke. Oh, man. All right, guys, listen in the chat, all right? Real quick in the chat, all right? I know you guys are trolling, all right? I know you guys are trolling. So let's chill. Let's chill out, all right? Finish your poops like me, and then get back on the couch, all right? Finish your poops. We'll get back on the couch, all right? Or wherever you listen to me, the bed, wherever you guys listen to me from. Kicking the can. But yeah, today is probably gonna be more kicking the can, guys. I'm sitting here. I got like I said, I got a little I'm drinking a Truly, as girly as that is. I am drinking a Truly tonight. They're not bad though, I will have to say. As girly as they are. Let me know in the chat. All my guys in here. Do you guys like Trulies, or do you think it's funny that I'm drinking a Truly right now? Let me know in the chat. I know you guys are like, I only drink IPAs. I only drink IPAs, man. I'm the man, bro. I'm the man, bro. I'm the man, bro. I only drink IPAs, man. But anyways, on the daily, we've been talking about this 500-day EMA, right? Consistently talking about this 500-day EMA. Let me move this up here. That we bounced off of twice in the summertime, right? Once, twice. Once again, Bitcoin trying to get some momentum off that 500-day EMA, but still, right? Still not getting that upwards momentum that we're looking for, right? And that's fine, right? We've been predicting this. We've been predicting this consistently that Bitcoin might get one more move back down to the 39.6K level. Okay, back down to that level. Trulies are good, dude. Trulies are good. I used to hate a little bit. People used to drink like the Bud Light seltzers and the Trulies. I used to be a little bit of a hater. I'm not gonna lie. And then they're not bad though. They're not bad, especially if you're on a diet. They're not too bad. DJ said, I don't drink, don't need to. There you go, DJ. That's what I'm talking about. You got the positive vibes even without drinks, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. I do too. Listen, I do too. I'm very rarely in a bad mood. But to me, there's nothing wrong with having a drink or two or 7 or 8, in my opinion. Going to the weekly, right? Going to the weekly. Man, we're still just stuck in our range, man. I mean, the weekly is what it is. I mean, we bounced. My famous saying, it is what it is, right? We bounced off that 39.6K level again, just like we did back in September, and now we're just kind of oscillating between 39.6 and 46K, right? I mean, we haven't even got up to 46K yet. We've only gotten as high as 44.5, so we haven't even got up to 46K yet. So, man, it could be, like we said, it could be another 2 weeks more or so of just consistent sideways action, man. I'm sick of sideways action. You're sick of sideways action. Bootney said, doesn't George drink Trulies? Hey, hold on. Let me go back up here. Doesn't George drink Trulies or White Claw? I have no idea. I have no idea. He didn't tell me that. I know he drinks, what does he usually drink on stream, guys? What does George usually drink on stream? We can't see him because he's making funny faces when pushing. What? Lots of fuzz and lag. You guys are killing me today. I know there's no lag. I can see it on my thing. There's no lag whatsoever. Whatsoever, man. I can see it on my thing. But yeah. Anyways, there's not much to say in the weekly. Like until we get back above our weekly support band, as my good friend Ben Cowan would say. Like I said, he's not really my friend. I would be friends with Ben. I would. But you know, until we get back above that 20-week SMA and that 20 and the 50-week SMA, you know, there's not really much to say, right? We are sort of stuck in the sandbox, as we would say, just consistently stuck in our sandbox, right? Between really this support here at 40K and our 50-week, which is now at about 48,570. And it's funny is these are actually moving up as we go down, so it's kind of making our job a little bit harder as we start to move back up. Okay. Treehouse voice. We are friends, Jordan. MySpace, you're definitely my friend, man. Treehouse voice. All right, Giordano Inu fractal. All right, the Giordano Inu fractal. Right. This is all going to plan, guys. This is all going to plan consistently. You guys want to see me again? Okay. Here we go. I'm bringing myself back. I got to take another dump. There we go. There we go. I'm taking another dump. Hold on. Let me get all settled in. All right. Java, can you bring me some toilet paper? Can you bring me some toilet paper? Java, bring me some toilet paper. I'm out. I don't know if Java can. I don't know if Java can hear me right now, but you gotta bring me some toilet paper. But yeah, I mean, this is all going to plan. This is all going to plan, right? Look at how perfectly this is following, guys. We went down, up, down, up, down, up, back down, coming back up. Are we gonna get that one more move? Okay, are we gonna get that one more move back down to 39K? That's what we've been saying, you know, consistently for the last couple of days. I'm still expecting it, right? I'm still expecting one more move, okay? One more move back down to that 39.6K level. Okay? I'm still expecting that, and you guys should be too, right? Don't listen to, we saw it all day. What did we see? All day the last, like 2 days ago, right? We saw all the thumbnails. You know, you guys know the thumbnails. Right? You guys know the funny thumbnails. Consistently, man. Everyone's starting to flip bullish the last 2 days, and I sort of said, guys, nothing is going to start moving up until Bitcoin breaks back above 46K. Get that out of your head, right? Don't listen to these channels, you know, that flip every 2 seconds, you know, between bullish and bearish, right? I'm not going to name channel names. I probably will in a couple minutes. You guys know me. I say I don't, and then I do. But yeah, I mean, I'm not going to name channel names. One of them rhymes with rhymes with pies. One of them rhymes with pies. Okay. But you know, this guy's making, you know, one day 75K, one day Bitcoin's going back down into a bear market, man. Just consistent. And listen, I'm not, don't listen to these damn channels. Look like he's on the crapper. It does look like I'm on the crapper. You guys keep making me laugh because it does look like I'm taking a crap right now. Oh, it does look like I'm taking a crap. Something has sadly changed. What are you coming on, dude? Rhymes with pies, okay? But yeah, we're still expecting this one more move back down to that 39K range. And then hopefully, right, at the end of January, beginning of February, we get that move back up to the upside, right? That's the ultimate. That's that's what we're all waiting for at this point, man. But you know, we got to have patience, right? Patience is not easy to come by in this market, right? Everyone wants a Lambo tomorrow. Everyone wants a Ferrari tomorrow. Everyone wants, you know, if you're a girl, maybe you want a you know, a Chanel bag or something tomorrow. But you know, we can't get that, right? We got to have patience. Crypto rewards the patient, okay? Rewards the patient, and you know, that's what we got to keep doing, man. Could be another couple of weeks. Who's losing patience in the chat? Let me know in the chat if you are losing patience. Did you borrow mic and webcam from Ben? Listen, it's bad, right? The webcam is definitely bad. But would you guys rather, here's what else. It does look bad. Would you guys rather do this? Would you guys rather not see me or see me? Let me know. Would you guys rather not see me or see me? Let me know in the chat. The only thing I'm missing to be Ben is obviously the V-line hair and the chair in the back. That's all I'm missing. Not me, George. All right, moving on. Like I said, there's not really much to say about Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is slightly coming down. Back down to 42.9, right? 42.9 is that level that we're watching. Everyone said, see me, but talk slower. Okay, what? Is there a lag on the voice? Okay, let's talk like this. I'm going to talk like this. Alex said, I see you as a friend. I hope so, man. I don't know if I want any more from you, man. I see you as a friend. Shortening hairline. You guys probably can't even see the hairline. This webcam is so bad. Look at this. Look at it. Look at the hairline, man. There's actually there's no moving average today because I got a haircut. No moving average. CME. All right. Anyways. I mean, listen. Today's probably gonna be a shorter stream because of this. We'll get it fixed tomorrow. But you know, 42,931 is that first level where Bitcoin could be coming back to right now. We broke that 100-day, or not 100-day, but 101-hour EMA. Here comes Bitcoin. We're dumping, guys. We're bearish right now. Super bearish on the hairline. Super bearish on the support line that we're coming up to right now. You're like savvy now, just bearish. Listen, man, I'm not bearish. I've been telling you guys, everything that I've told you guys has come true so far, right? We started looking at this. Where did we start looking at this fractal? We started looking at this fractal all the way back here, okay? And since that time, Bitcoin has tracked this fractal absolutely perfectly. Now everyone's talking about it, okay? Everyone likes to copy me. I don't know if that's actually true, but I like to think that way. Everyone's copying me now. We've been looking at this all the way back since the middle of December, and you know, quite frankly, okay, we came all the way back down to the bottom of it. Now we came back up. Hey, I'm not going to deviate, right? You might call me a bear, but I'm not going to deviate from this until Bitcoin deviates from it, right? If Bitcoin starts going up here, hey, then we might have a little bit of a shot at deviating from this fractal, but until it does, I'm going to keep saying that it's going to continue to follow it, right? Keep saying it. Melissa has terrible sound in her house. She does have to. Don't tell Java, guys. Don't tell Java. He'd be very mad. Okay? Obviously, he's my brother. Don't tell him. Okay? Don't tell Java, guys. Oh. I hear him coming. No. Jordan! He looks so bad with the Jordan! How could you do this to me? Is that Melissa? Why are you in Melissa's house? It looks so bad with the quality. Jordan, how could you do this to me? I thought we were brothers. Jordan. Oh, man. Okay. It looks so bad with the webcam quality. Oh, so it's an MTF. This guy's my spirit animal. Nice, man. But anyways, guys, it's too late. It's too late. He already found out, so I guess you guys can let him know in the chat. My shoe. My shoe. Yeah, I think he'd rather prefer Melissa at this point than his shoe. You know, you need shoes to live, but I think you would rather Melissa at this point. SDF said, "Please, man, enough." All right, let's look at some alts, guys. I mean, we know we're waiting here for Bitcoin. Like, we can talk about Bitcoin all we want to talk about Bitcoin, right? I mean, we know what we're waiting for. We're either waiting for two things, right? We're waiting for a break of 39.6K, or we're waiting for a break of 46K. Or, yeah, 46K, 39.6. Until we get a break of that range, well, you know, we're stuck in the sandbox. We're stuck in the damn sandbox. No water jug today? Joke's on you, buddy. I got the water jug. Lag? You guys are such trolls. Dude, listen, guys, I can see it. I might not be able to see if my mic's not working correctly, but I can see if I'm lagging. And I know you guys are trolling about the lag. Streaming from a tin can. All right, let's do some alts. Let's do some quick alts. Wow, Ethereum. Holy majoli. Holy guacamole. ETH. What's going on with my ex-wife? Let's see. 3,315. 3,315 for ETH. Why is ETH going up and Bitcoin's not? This is quite odd. This is definitely quite odd. ETH is actually up about 4%, and Bitcoin is chilling, is actually coming down. ETH is actually performing pretty well, despite Bitcoin's quite horrible performance at the moment. But 3,313. Let's see if ETH can continue this momentum to the upside. ETH is, let's see. So ETH, we want to get back over, I'd say, about 33.91. If we can get back over 33.91, it's a good shot. ETH can come back up to like 36. So ETH is actually cooking right now. My ex-wife is looking really good. Really good. Yeah, Mix, I totally appreciate the stream. The alternative is nothing. So let's laugh. Facts, man. I mean, you can only do what you can do, right? You only do what you can do. Melissa has had all three brothers. Melissa's had all three brothers. Guys, it looks so bad. I can't take myself. Guys, don't tell Java. But I also had a little bit of Melissa too. I had a little bit of Melissa. Yeah. She's hot. What can I say? She likes me for my shib. She likes me for all my shib. What can I say? Oh man, all right, let me get. Oh man, I actually think the webcam makes it great, man. It makes it great. To be honest, is the 4-year cycle dead then? Yeah, dude, there's no more cycles. Okay, get rid of these cycles. You're gonna see all these tech dev guys still saying that Bitcoin's going to 300K in February or March. Listen. That's not, I'll tell you right now, that's not gonna happen. Okay, that's not gonna happen. I know you guys don't want to hear it. I'm just being honest. It's not gonna happen. To me, it's gonna be slower growth. Altcoins will still perform pretty fast, in my opinion, but Bitcoin will slowly continue up. Right? There's not gonna be any of this 4-year cycle crap that everyone's been, everyone's been sort of saying consistently, right? None of this 4-year cycle crap. Like BitBoy was saying, September we're going to top out, and then December we're going to top out. Then the XRP case in January is going to push Bitcoin, right? So it sounds like he's talking into a Pringles can. Probably. The halving isn't going away, bub. The halving's not going away. But here's what I'll say, bathwater, okay? Here's what I'll say. Bathwater. Here's what I'll say, man. If the halving's not going away, and you still believe in the 4-year cycles, why do you still think Bitcoin's going to go higher this year? Okay, because if we were to say that Bitcoin's going to have a typical bear market, if we were to go into, say, a 5-year cycle or a 6-year cycle, and Bitcoin was to have a bear market, right? Well, that would only leave, what, a year left for Bitcoin to have a bear market, right? So that doesn't sound correct to me. Everyone thinking that Bitcoin's going to have some 80, 90% correction in a bear market just doesn't make any sense, man. That makes absolutely 0 sense. It's just not going to happen. You have too much big money in the space now. Too much big money. You're not going to go down to 5K like Savvy's saying, 10K like Savvy's saying. It's not going to happen. It's going to be a more slow, continuous growth. To me, this is obviously my opinion. I'm just one simple guy out here that's streaming from the toilet. But I think we're going to slowly go up like this, right? Boom, 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 boom. Obviously, like I said, take my opinion with a grain of salt. I could be streaming from a toilet. I could be streaming from a cardboard box right now. So, I don't know if my opinion is too trustworthy at this point. But I think we're going to see something like this, right? Slow and steady growth to the upside. I don't think we're going to see this. Everyone's still expecting this. Right? Nope, it's not going to happen like that. I'll tell you right now. I'm going to use the restroom. I think this cycle has been extended by 9 months. I would love that. Hey, if by September, we can all buy an island together, that would be great. I'd love that. Do you have the soundboard with you? I do, but here's the issue. Okay, here's the issue. I didn't plan very well, hence why I am using a potato to stream myself from. Okay. I only have 2 USB ports. I obviously I need a mic and I need a mouse. So that leaves me with no other USB ports. So I couldn't use the soundboard, or well, I didn't bring the mic. I didn't bring the webcam, or my camera, I should say. Get another jug going. Jug. No, but Eve is looking not too shabby though. Let's go back to see what you guys are saying in the chat, man. Let's see what you guys are saying here, though. You guys are already making fun of Wendy O, I see. Okay. So why is Jordan in Java's room? I'm not in Java's room, in the bathroom. Like I said, man. Michael said, Wendy O is dumping. Why is Wendy O dumping? Why do you guys always like to bring up Wendy O? There's only one person in, well, he's not here. He's actually, let's see what Bob has to say. Let's call Bob. Hey, Bob, what's going on? Okay. Everyone's talking about Wendy O. What's your thoughts on Wendy O, man? What's your thoughts on Wendy O? Let's actually go to FaceTime. Let's go to FaceTime. Hold up. I love Wendy O. Jordan, I love Wendy O. Yeah. Can you tell her? Is she in the stream? Tell her. I love Around the Blockchain. I love it. Can you tell her for me? I love her. She's so hot. She's got such a long face. I love long faces. I love long faces. Yeah. I got a long face fetish. Sorry, guys. takes me a while to switch because I don't have my little board thing here. But anyways, yeah, dude, she's not here. She's not here. Paul said Paul became a member. What's going on, Paul? Thanks for coming a member, man. Actually, hold up. Pawtucket. I can't see your guys' messages today. Let me actually scroll if I can see you. Hold up. Hold up. I can't see him, man. I can't see your messages today. Someone said you were in a quarantine. You guys are killing me today, man. Absolutely killing me. This is one of the most fun streams I've ever had. You guys are making me laugh too much in the chat today. Man. Jordan, blink twice if Crypto Savvy is holding you hostage. Yeah, he's not. Someone else is holding me hostage here. So I'll blink twice. There you go. Is this a new studio? Love the streams. No, I'll be here in the meantime. Okay? In the meantime. Let's see. Oh, man. That's you guys have to stay. You guys are too funny, man. Too funny. Anyways, we shall... Please buy a headset with this donation. Amazon is your friend. Why do I need a headset? There's nothing that I need a headset for. The headset's not the problem. Right? The headset's not the problem. I don't know why the audio is messed up. It doesn't make any sense because I'm using the same mic that I always do. Does this sound better? Does this sound better? Do you guys like when I put a... I'm actually not going to say that. Maybe I'll hold it like this. Maybe this will sound better. I'm using the same mic that I do at home. So it's not a headset. So I'll figure it out tomorrow. I'll figure it out tomorrow before the stream tomorrow. And then we'll get it all good. We'll get it all good. This is how he dunks. Oh, man. And a USB hub. The mic isn't connected. It is. Wait, actually, that might... You guys might be right. Hold up. You guys might be right. Did I change this? The connection is slow. That's the issue. The mic is not... Maybe it's because the mic is not working. Maybe you guys are right. Let's do this. That's not going to work. Hold on. I think I know what the issue is, guys. Hold up. Default. There we go. Maybe that sounds better. If that sounds better, let me know, guys. If that sounds better, let me know. That might work. I think that might work. You guys might have this found out. Using the Vice mic. That's probably why. That's probably... Listen, man. Hold up. Rename. That might be better. Is that better? Yeah! Let's go, baby. We're back. We're back. We're back. All right, you guys can hear me. It was on the laptop audio the whole time, man. That's brutal. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. So you guys were actually trolling me the whole time. You guys were actually trolling me, and you guys are saying you weren't trolling me, so you were anti-trolling me. So I asked you guys if you were trolling me, and you said you weren't trolling me. So I can't trust anything you guys say now. Algo, Bathwater, Waterfly, Drew. Who else was trolling me in Discord? Bootney. All you guys are trolling me in Discord. Saying that the audio is fine. So now you guys were anti-trolling me. I can't trust anything you guys say now. I can't trust anything you guys say. The whole time, man. There we go. That is beautiful. Isn't good audio beautiful, man? It really is. It really is. The echo is gone. The death cross. Link Strong. Been telling you since the beginning. Classic reverse troll. Yeah, man. Anyways,
listen, now that the mic's working, maybe we could talk about some other stuff. I mean, like we said, guys, we know we're watching here for Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually came back down and perfectly tested that 42.9 level right there, almost perfectly. So let's see what. At the end of the day, guys, I know it still looks like I'm taking a crap, though, right? Nothing can really fix that, but you know, we gotta patiently wait. We gotta patiently wait to see what happens. Trolls will be trolls, man. Trolls will be trolls. Just had a golden cross. Bandwidth looking thick, bro. Looking thick. Real thick. Don't trust the mods. I can't even trust my own mods, man. It's crazy. Crazy. Some of these guys have been here since what? I mean, some of these guys have been here since February, March time. I can't even trust these guys. I can't trust them, man. I can't trust them. Massive windows. Aren't they massive? Aren't they absolutely massive windows? Called out the mods. All right, anyways. What altcoins are moving, guys? I mean, listen, I'm not going to spend too much more time on Bitcoin. Like, you guys can probably want to hear all the rant alerts and stuff. Here's what I'll say. Here's what I'll say, guys. If you were getting way too pumped 2 days ago, if you were getting extremely pumped 2 days ago, okay, and now you're sort of bearish again, here's what I'll say to you guys. You guys need to get that emotional crap out of your system, man. You guys are way too emotional. Way too emotional. You guys need to go to the bathroom, wipe yourselves of that emotion, because, listen, Bitcoin's going to have its ups. It's going to have its downs. I don't want to see you guys getting super bullish, super bullish, and then we dump and you guys get super bearish, and then we go up, we're super bullish, and we're really just staying in the same range, okay? Until Bitcoin breaks 39.6 or 46, don't have any emotions, okay? Continue to have no emotions, all right? Bitcoin's going to go up and down in that range, man. It's going to keep doing it. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You can see it all over Twitter. We go up $1,000. People are saying, bottom's in, bottom's in. Bitcoin's going to 100K. We go down. You can see it. Bitcoin's going to 10K. Bear market, bear market. It's like, dude, make your decision, okay? Make your decision. Have your thesis, stick with your thesis, and don't switch your thesis because Bitcoin goes up, down $1,000, $2,000 in either direction, man. It's absolutely crazy. I'm seeing everyone be bearish again, but 2 days ago they were bullish. 2 days ago they were bullish. Stick to your plan. Don't change it because you see these influencers making bullish 75K videos after Bitcoin does a $2,000 pump and makes 10K videos because Bitcoin has a $2,000 dump, right? Stop doing it. Stop doing it. Ed Dunkel said, you seem kind of emotional about this. I am emotional about this. Okay? I am. Because I see way too many emotions. Way too many emotions. It's ridiculous. Safe said, no emotions. Got it. All right. I'm bullish when we're down and bearish when we're up. That's what you should be doing, man. That's what you should be doing. I know it's a cliche saying, but it really is true. You can make money while Bitcoin's going up, but how do you maximize that? How do you get rich? Is how you buy low, man. You buy low, right? You can make money as Bitcoin's going up. You really make the big money when Bitcoin is low as Bitcoin's coming down. So I always say, buy the red candles and sell the green candles. All right, that's what you should be doing. Don't do anything different from that. Crypto emotional. Why are we just chilling on the weekly chart, by the way? That's probably the most boring chart to stare at. I'm new here. Comfortably numb. Nice, man. Drinking Trulies on the toilet. ETC is bullish. That makes me overall. All right, let's do some alts. And I'll probably keep ranting here. As you guys know, I like to rant. Mama said, have you ever used the Binance Launchpad? The Binance Launchpad? No, man. I have not done such a thing. So I cannot comment on that. I definitely can't. I appreciate that, man. Rich Buddy said, can we take a look at Doge? Rich Buddy, is your name Rich or you Rich? I need to know. Because I know you're always in here. And I always see you in George's chat, by the way. Thinking of buying some. Buy some Doge. All right, let's do some Doge. Doge, man. Wow, holy moly. I know Elon, not Elon, Tesla said they were accepting Doge as merchandise payments, which I kind of had a rant of yesterday saying it's not that big of a deal, and people were getting mad at me. All the Dogers are getting mad at me. What's new? The Dogers and the Shibbers love getting mad at me. But, yeah, I mean, Doge is definitely making a move up. It looks relatively nice. I'd say you have this downtrend of resistance. You actually wicked up to it perfectly up to like 21 cents. And then you came all the way back down to like 18 cents. So Doge is not looking too shabby, okay? Definitely not looking too shabby, but just like everything else, like we need, I'm not going to sit here and get too bullish on Doge unless Bitcoin starts making some upwards movements, right? Because the general market tends to follow Bitcoin, as we know. So, you know, that's probably what I'll say for most of the alts at the moment. There's obviously some that are going to have a mind of their own at the moment. You know, there's some that are, you know, pushing all-time highs. You got like Near Protocol, Harmony One. There's some other ones that have been smashing all-time highs, or getting close to all-time highs, even though Bitcoin's been struggling. But Doge is definitely one of them where I don't know if it can get that full momentum unless Bitcoin really starts to move. But yeah, I mean, you break this downtrend of resistance, you get a good shot at moving up. But do I see it happening without BTC? I don't know. I don't know if I see it. Where could I buy the Tesla hat? I don't know, man. I don't know. He's like, we're accepting merch, and it's for crap that doesn't sell. Who's buying Tesla hats? Okay, have you ever... All right. I can't do the rant alert right now, and I really want to press the rant alert button, but I can't. Who have you ever actually seen, okay? Have you ever actually seen anyone wear a Tesla hat in public? Okay? No, the answer is no. And if you have, you live in some weird place, let me tell you. Because I've never seen anyone wear a Tesla hat. Never seen anyone wear a Tesla shirt. I don't even know if they wear like Tesla shoes. That'd be kind of weird. But yeah, I've never seen anyone wear a Tesla merchandise. So is that a big deal? No. I probably shouldn't re-rant about this again because everyone was getting pissed at the chat at me yesterday. It's just not that big of a deal. I'm not going to get excited over news that's not that big of a deal, you know? Never seen a Tesla hat in my life. Exactly. Better than your McDonald's hat? That's true. That's true. Hey, I have a what is it? I have a shift. I'm actually streaming from McDonald's right now. I'm streaming from the McDonald's bathroom. I'm on my break right now. I get an hour break because they promoted me to manager, so I get an hour break. That's why I'm streaming for you guys right now from McDonald's. That's the only way I can do it right now. I have to work like 12-hour days to in the bear market to be able to accumulate. You know. Pawtucket said, was supposed to go to Hyannis for my birthday tomorrow, but got the vid, so now I'm stuck at home. Totally blows. Oh, well. Love the streams. Hey, it happens, man. It happens. Hey, listen, Hyannis right now, probably not the best place to go. I mean, listen, man, it's cold as it's cold as heck up there in Massachusetts right now. Hyannis right now, would it be fun? I mean, I don't know. It's supposed to be like, what, 7 degrees up in Massachusetts? I'm glad I'm not up there right now. But 7 degrees in Massachusetts tomorrow, which is absolutely nuts. I think it's supposed to touch 1 degree. 1 degree tomorrow, which is absolutely nuts. Let's go back to BTC while we wait here. Let me get a McFry. All right, hold up. There we go. All right. Let me pour these in the... All right. Let me get it. I'm gonna get you a large, man. I'm gonna get you a large. There we go. There you go, man. Yeah, have fun. All right. Anyone else want to fry? Anyone else want to fry? Sheesh. 1 degree should be legal. Yeah. You became homeless. Homeless now. Everyone's saying I'm homeless today. I'm glad the mic's working now. I will say I can never watch anything with bad quality, so I appreciate. I mean, there was still, I don't even know how many of you guys were in here earlier. There was still a crap load of you guys in here earlier, even though the audio was bad. So I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. Massachusetts bearish. It's very, very bearish. I want to get out of there at some point. It's too cold for me. Too cold for me. Can I get a cheeseburger, hold the pickles? Yep, you can do that. All right. Bitcoin. What are we going to do with Bitcoin, guys? What are we going to do with Bitcoin? I don't know about you guys, but listen, I'm a very patient person. I'm a very, very patient person, as you guys know. When it comes to crypto, I'm very, very patient too. You guys know. If you guys have been following my channel for the last year, Bitcoin's pretty much been going sideways for the past year. And, you know, we've been here pretty much every single day. Maybe not every day, but pretty much probably 98% of days. You guys know I'm pretty patient. But let me tell you, man, I'm starting to lose my patience. And that actually is starting to make me a little bit bullish. That's making me a little bit bullish that I'm starting to lose my patience. Okay, my patience is getting very, very thin. Very, very thin. And you guys are probably feeling the same way. It's not like I'm going to be selling or anything. I'm not selling, okay? You guys know I'm not selling. Have I ever sold? No. Only a little bit of Cardano. That's it. And I'm happy I did right now. But, yeah, like, listen. I'm losing my patience a little bit. I'm not selling, but I can understand why people are losing a little bit of patience right now. Okay? I can understand because it's been a whole year. And now we're going into 2022. We're, you know, halfway through January. Okay? But hey, listen. Don't continue to have patience. Don't lose out now. You guys have already been waiting so long. Don't lose out now, man. You're gonna panic sell your crypto after waiting pretty much sideways action for a whole year. I'm not. Losing patience. Gonna wait it out. Exactly. Bootney said you sold Crow. I did sell Crow, Bootney. Don't remind me of that. That still pains me to this day. Still pains me. Look, I put it in ETH, and ETH did pretty good after that, but Crow, that was definitely a tough hit for me. Definitely a tough hit. All right, let's do some alts. I keep saying let's do alts. Let's do alts. You guys are all saying Crow. All right, you know what? You want to look at Crow? We'll look at Crow. Let's go see when I sold Crow, guys. Let's go check it out. I know you guys always like making fun of me. Crow. Make sure you guys smack up that likes, by the way, guys. We had a tough start to the stream. We had to start a stream, end the stream. We had audio quality issues in the beginning. Tough hit. Still like 700 of you guys in here, which I'm generally shocked at. Anyways. But yeah. Actually, this is not the right chart I want. Hold up. Let me look at the other one here. Cruella de Vil. I don't know why it reminds me of Cruella de Vil. You guys know from the Dalmatians movie? All right, Crow. I sold Crow right here, man. Right here. That's where I sold Crow. To this day. It actually wasn't that bad. It was probably like a 5x. But, you know, it's the timing, man. It's the timing that really pissed me off. Denise said I'm salty on Crow. Denise, there was actually a ton of you guys that actually probably sold Crow around the same time because I told you guys I was selling my Crow. I probably feel more bad about that than me selling it, to be honest. But it is what it is. ETH from this point, actually, ETH went up a pretty good amount too. Obviously, it fell down now, but ETH went up a pretty good amount too. It's Cruella. It's Cruella de Vil. All right, not Crew. It actually is Crew, but we won't say that. I mean, right now, if you're looking to accumulate some Crow, I mean, now's not the bad time. I think it might go a little bit lower just because I expect Bitcoin to maybe go a little bit lower. Something like this. A little bit of a wedge formation that might play out, where you might get something that comes down, come a little bit lower with Bitcoin, and then move back up with Bitcoin going into February. Something along those lines. So if you're looking to pick up some Crow, might not be a bad time. Maybe I should. I don't know. Maybe I should. I stole before you. Yeah, a lot of you guys did. I got some free Crow. Bittersweet memories with Crow. Yeah, when was that? That was back in October, man. That wasn't that long ago. let me tell you, 2021 was probably the fastest year that ever went by for me. I don't know about you guys, but literally the fastest year. Maybe because it was a fun year. It was a rocky year. It was definitely fun. A lot of stuff happened for me in general, but it was definitely a fast year that went by. Are you still salty on XRP? No. I should be anti-salty on XRP because I actually sold XRP at a good time. In hindsight. You guys used to know I always crap on XRP, but I've actually kind of. I used to be an XRP, not a fanboy, but I used to hype up XRP way back in the day when I was making just videos. I used to hype up XRP all the time. You could have sold ADA. I sold about. I always tell you guys, I sold about 10% of my ADA because you guys know I'm not worried about short-term price action, man. You guys, unless you guys are some crypto face traders out here, you guys shouldn't be worried about short-term price action either, right? I think way too many people are worried about short-term price action. Listen, you're not going to be the next. I hate to burst your bubble, okay? You're not going to be the next crypto face. Okay, 90% of traders lose money. So if you want to be one of those 90%, go for it, okay? I'm just letting you know you might be lucky over the course of a few months. You might even be lucky over the course of a few years. But over time, okay, 90% of traders lose money. That's all I'll say. If you want to be crypto face, go for it. That's not for me. It's not worth my time. So I don't do it. But no, XRP, I do think once Bitcoin starts going, I do think XRP will start making its move up. I mean, it's clearly in some type of consolidation here, making, higher lows and lower highs, right? You're getting tight, very, very tight. Very, very tight. We know we like tight things on this channel. Very, very tight. We like a lot of tight things. So, I do think once Bitcoin, starts to make its move back up, you'll start to see XRP start to move back up too. It's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time. This is coming from an XRP hater, okay? An XRP hater. I'm leaving mine and seeing what happens in 10 years. Let's see. You're going to lose to the hamster if you keep trading. Yeah, you might as well. Rest in peace, the crypto hamster. The crypto hamster. I never watched the crypto hamster. I don't even know if you could watch the crypto hamster, but no one in that 10% got time for this. They chilling and enjoying. True. That's very, that's very, very true. Face makes a few $100K from risking mills. Meh. That's true. That's true too. All right. Let me go back over here. Let's see. Pawtucket. Oh no. Mamba said, "How much BNB do you need to get a good chunk on Binance Launchpad?" I want a good chunk. Like I said, man, I don't use that, so I have no idea. I have no idea. I would say as much as you can get, as always with any crypto, man, as much as you can get. The hamster streamed on Twitch, really? I wish I watched the hamster back in the day. I really do. I really do. That's actually funny that a hamster out-traded. What was the percentage, guys? The hamster out-traded like 90% of traders or something like that. A hamster. A damn hamster. That's how you know. That's how you know, because why? Hamsters don't have emotions. They're just running on a wheel. They might get tired, but they don't have any emotions besides that. Algo for algo, por favor? Sure, man. Anything for you, dude. Algo. Algo for algo. Let's do this one, shall we? Whoa! What is this little shot up here? Holy moly. Let's actually get a better chart. I think I have it over here. Where are you? Where are you, Algo? There you go. All right, I guess that's legit. Wow. I guess I just missed that last time I looked at it, but I actually haven't looked at Algo in a while. I can tell because I don't have any lines on it. I don't have an imaginary lines on it, as we would say. All right. So, what is Algo doing? See, Algo was looking really good for a while. I mean, you were holding the previous highs, at least on the closes, very, very nicely, right? Obviously, these are wicks here. You were holding them very, very nicely. You drop below. You got back above, and then you drop back below again. I mean, let me actually pull up. Let me pull up the the RSI here. Okay. No bullish divergence, so it's just another thing that's kind of stuck in a range at this point, you know? Just another range-bound coin. Just kind of in a little bit of a bull flag, right? Lower lows, lower highs. That's really it. I mean, over the course of time, this probably will break to the upside. I mean, it's quite beautiful if you ask me. A quite beautiful bull flag. Where if this does break out, you might get a move up to... Eventually, you might get a move up to like 330, which is a pretty massive move, but you gotta wait to see what Bitcoin does. You gotta wait to see what Bitcoin does. As you know, Algo. Claps like a girl. We need to listen to that right now. Hold on. Wait, I don't even know if I have that on here. Hold on. Let me see if I do. Oh, I do. Yes. All right. I hope you guys can hear this. Let me make sure you guys can hear this because this gets me hyped every single time I listen to it. Hold on. Let me turn this down for a sec. Hope you guys can hear this. Here you go, guys. Ready? Happy and clapping. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Someone said, oh my god, please no. I don't know if, can you guys hear it? Let me know if you guys can hear that or not. Oh man. Happy and clapping. Clapping is the best. That gets me hyped. I unfortunately can't hear it, so I can't get too hyped over it. But it's the best. Oh man. Should we do it one more time? All right, let's do it one more time. Happy and clapping. Vitalik is the best. Hold on, I gotta get this timed out. Vitalik clapping. Vitalik clapping. No volume. Oh man, I can listen to that all. That song actually kind of slaps in my opinion, but no. The clap is nothing to laugh at. Oh man. All right. Anyways, Bitcoin. Oh, what is Bitcoin doing? 43K, or I should say another day, another 43K. Are saying used to be another day, another 47K. Now it's 43. So impressed. Oh man, booger in the air. Vitalik is impressed with wall booger. Oh, you guys want the wall booger? All right. Man, I guess this was come to. Unfortunately, I'm very mad I can't listen to it. It actually makes me kind of sad. Hold on. Let me get the wall booger. I know you guys like the wall booger, so. Right. Oh, here it is. Oh. There he goes, deep. Wow. Look it out. Dude, he gets knuckle deep in there. That's nuts. He gets knuckle deep in there. Whoa. And he puts it on the wall. There we go. All right. No, we're not talking about the death cross. We're not talking about the death cross, guys. I will say, I ranted about this yesterday. Okay. Rant alert. Ding, 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 ding. I can't play it today. But I ranted about this yesterday. We're not talking about the death cross. Okay. The death cross is the death cross. So we know what the death cross is right now. It's two moving averages crossing over each other. We're not going to die. Okay. I said this yesterday. Okay. We're not going to die. Right. Java might have different say, okay? Wow! The death cross! Holy moly! I'm gonna make so much money! Savvy, look! The death cross! Wow! I can't believe we're getting the death cross today! I'm going 100x short with my Bybit gift card! Holy... Melissa! Oh wait! She cheated on me! She cheated on me with my own brother. No. Look at Java. Oh, man. Look at him in the webcam. All right, let me take this off. The death cross. No. All right, enough of that. No, but listen, I'm not talking about the death cross. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I refuse to do it. Everyone's already talking about it to death. Everyone's talking about it to death consistently. What we said is the death cross, what it usually happens is you usually get a pump into the death cross, which we got, right? We got a pump into the death cross. I'm not even going to do it on the chart. We got a pump into the death cross. Okay, the death cross happened. What usually happens after the death cross is you get a dump. You get a dump after the death cross. All right? A little bit of a dump. Not always like a massive dump. It could just be, and we're not talking about, never mind. You don't usually get a massive dump. You usually get like a semi-small dump and then a move back up, right? The death cross doesn't mean that you're not going into some extended bear market, right? We had a death cross in the summertime. We went a little bit lower, and then we bounced back up faster than we bounced back up in, really, it was even faster than we did in 2020, right? I mean, the death cross, in a nutshell, does not mean diddly squat, okay? It doesn't mean diddly squat, okay? I'll say it again. Lipsy, what are your thoughts on Luna and FTM? Luna, appreciate that. What was it? Lijpa? Lijpa. How do you say your name, man? Lijpa. Okay, Lijpa. We'll look at Luna for you, man. Or girl. I always assume it's a man. I probably shouldn't. It is 2022. You can't consider anything, I should say. All right. So Luna. Let's see what's going down here. Luna just continues to continue up in kind of a very orderly fashion. So Luna back here. We actually didn't have bearish divergence. Let's see if this actually broke out. Yeah, it looks like it did. So Luna actually did break out. It did break out. You broke this downtrend of resistance, okay? Broke the downtrend of resistance. Looks like you did just in this daily. Now we'll get that continuation up. Let's go to the 4-hour real quick. Zoom in a little bit more, and look at this. Yeah, so it looks like you broke out, and you might be back testing it right now if you really zoom in there. But let's wait for confirmation, right? Let's wait for a little bit more confirmation. But if Luna was to continue up here, let's take a look at some of our Fibonacci levels here. From swing high to swing low. You're right at the 0.5 Fibonacci. So if the 0.5 Fib breaks, we should be looking to move back up to the 618. And the 618 is at about 87.19. So watch for that. If this current resistance breaks, look for a move up to 87.19. But Luna just continues to rock it, man. It continues to rock it. I mean, look at the weekly. I mean, the weekly, it looks absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm not going to rule Luna out to continue higher. Luna, at least before the last couple days, I mean, has sort of been, or not the last couple of days, but the last couple of weeks has been sort of moving without Bitcoin. So it definitely has the chance to move without Bitcoin again. Now, what I will say is you're starting to get to some of these big boys hyping up. You guys always say when you start to see certain channels hyping up certain coins, that usually is a top signal. Okay, I said that about Phantom a couple days ago. Okay, you're starting to get some of these big boy channels hyping up certain coins. I don't love that. And they were all hyping up Luna. Since then, Luna's been right? And I probably expect the same thing from Phantom. But, I do think Luna, you're going to see another move up here. I do. Nothing on the charts, at least on the daily time frame, or the 4-hour for that fact, are really pointing to anything different. Right? No bearish div on any time frame. So I like it. Happy and clapping. Clapping is the best. Ashley said, some of us sound like girls, but we're real boys. Okay? You're real boys. You're like Pinocchio. You're a real boy. Yeah, I'm a real boy. All right. And Phantom. All right. Phantom's a similar fate here. I'm a real boy, daddy. Phantom. FTM. Let's see. Yeah, Phantom's chilling at this resistance we've been talking about consistently, right? I mean, it has to break. It has to break 316, right? I mean, it's as simple as that. Simple as that. We got to break 316, and until we do that, it is what it is. It is what it is, as I would say, right? I mean, you've got resistance on this, on the daily, or at least once, twice, 3 times. You just can't break that. Let's see where the EMA ribbon is. Your one shot is to turn this into some type of cup and handle, right? Where you get a round out, a back test of the 4-hour EMA ribbon, and then a continuation up, and then a break of that 316 level. But you tried, you didn't get that momentum to the upside. So let's see on the hourly. It's still above the hourly EMA ribbon. Yeah. You just got to get the upwards momentum. Right now, you're right at support. So watch to see what Bitcoin does. I hate to say it, but if Bitcoin dumps, I mean, this is probably coming back down. If Bitcoin can hold steady, continue to hold this as support, which you've done in the past, obviously bounced all the way up through this level. If Bitcoin can hold strong, probably see a move up to 316. Some of you guys are funny. Clapping in the next 3 hours? I hope so. Oh, I make myself laugh. There's a TradingView indicator called daily moving average to intraday chart. The 2 MAs are touching on ETH right now. Does it mean anything? Daily moving average to intraday chart. STH. What does STH stand for? I'm curious, by the way. I'm always curious about weird things. ETH on the daily. What is it called? Daily moving average to intraday chart. Okay. Daily. Hold on, I already forget what I said. I can only remember one word at a time, guys. Bear with me here. No pun intended, by the way. Daily moving average to intraday chart. What is this? You better not be trolling me. Does it mean anything? Does it mean anything? What do the numbers mean, Mason? What do they mean, Mason? You guys wouldn't know what I'm saying. You guys wouldn't get that reference. Some of you guys might get that reference. Does it mean anything? I mean, last time you got that, that was actually marked the bottom for ETH, and you actually went from like 1,600 to close to 5,000. I mean, last time it happened. Listen, let's actually look at the last time before that. Let's go back. The time before that, I mean, it's a moving average, so you can't take it to the bank. I mean, you could finally find any of these moving average crosses and find your own narrative, but, you know, would I take it to the bank? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Let's see. Are you still sitting on the toilet? You look at strong. Yes, I'm strongly sitting on the toilet, man. I am, as you guys would know. I can't play the horn, man. It sucks. I can't play the horn. If I could, you would hear... If I could, but I can't today, unfortunately. Maybe we'll get it fixed tomorrow. We'll see. 7. Look at strong. Look at strong, man. 715, making its way back up. Strong. Every time I look at strong, it just looks stronger. No pun intended again. But yeah, I mean, you broke that previous local high on September. What is this? September 3rd. You smacked that. All over the floor. Smack that. Give me some more. Smack. But yeah, I mean, you smacked that high. So next logical resistance is up there at like 884. Will be the next logical resistance. So we'll see if you get up there. Right? I mean, you're looking pretty good. You got room to run on the daily. 4 hour has some room to run too. Now you might be making a little bit of bearish divergence on the 4 hour. So keep that in mind. You have higher highs and lower highs coming in on strong on the 4 hour. So keep that in mind. But you know, I care more about the daily time frame than I do the 4 hour. You might need a little bit of a correction here first, just to reset this, and then a continuation up. But strong is looking strong when you zoom out, man, and you should be zooming out. Don't be looking at the 1 hour and 4 hour if you're looking to hold long term. There's no point. All it's going to do is stress you out. Jordan's in a singing mood. I'm always in a singing mood. I'm always. Whoa! I'm almost breaking this table. Now it probably really looks like I'm sitting on a toilet. It does. It looks even worse now. All right. What else do you guys say in here? What else? I love your stream. Thank you, man. Or chica. What, I don't know if you're a man or a chica. So, like I said, I don't try to say man. It's just the way I speak. Come on. Some of us sound like girls, but we're real boys. Thank you again, Ashley. Appreciate that. Zoom out. Cricket said, when in doubt, zoom out. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is coming up back up to test that 100 or 200 1 hour EMA. Try to say that 3 times fast. It's a little tough. I bet you can't do it. Jordan always talking that smack. I'm actually not talking smack today. I'm actually generally not talking smack. I guess I was talking smack earlier about the guy who rhymes with pies. Okay? I was talking a little bit smack, but I always talk about smack about him, so. Chicas Benitas. Smack those likes. Thank you, Keith, for shouting out. Unfortunately, Jordan's joy is singing. I have a lot of joys. Singing is one of them I wish I could do, but unfortunately you guys couldn't, I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. Can you check out Harmony 1? Of course, I can shill Harmony 1 for you. I've been shilling Harmony 1 forever. Let's look at Harmony. Harmony 1, let's shill it, boys. Let's shill. All right, guys, today we're going to do our sponsor for today's stream is Harmony 1. You know, it's a very, very good crypto. It's gonna reach all-time highs within the next couple of days. You guys should definitely invest in Harmony 1. That's today's sponsor for today's show. So check out the link in the description if you guys want to invest in Harmony 1. Okay. I could never actually shill altcoins. It like I said, it makes me feel like a car salesman. It really does, like a used car salesman. Yeah, check out this crappy altcoin that no one cares about. You guys should definitely invest in this. Like I'm crappy altcoin. No, but Harmony. Just right at all-time highs. Right at all-time highs for Harmony. Right at that previous high right there. Boom. 37.8 cents. You smack 30.8 cents. I think we said it yesterday. What was the target? Swing high to swing low was at ding, ding, ding. Chicken wings for dinner. Tofu if you're vegan. 52.7 cents was that target. So watch for that. If Harmony can break this all-time high, which I do think it will, okay, I do think it will, then, you know, I think we'll have pretty good movement up there to the upside, which would be about a 40% move, which ain't too shabby. I'll take a 40% move all day, especially in times like this. Harmony 1 and Costa. At least Harmony 1 has some type of name recognition. Man, dude. Don't get me started about pasta, man. Don't get me started about Costa today, guys. I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying not to crap on Costa anymore. I'm trying not to. It's my New Year's resolution, guys. No more crapping on Costa. Okay? Listen, I can be annoyed at all the influencers spamming Costa, 10 times a day. Okay? Literally 10. You go on Twitter, it's like Costa, 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 Costa. It's just Costa. I can't even go on Twitter anymore because it's just Costa, 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 Costa. And even if you unfollow someone that owns Costa or tweets about Costa, okay, all that happens is you have other people that you follow that retweet the damn thing. So you just hear Costa, 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 Costa. I'm sick of hearing about Costa. I'm trying not to talk about Costa, but I am sick of it. I am sick of it. I hope it does well for all you guys that are holding it, but if it could just go away, that would be great. I hope it pumps for you guys. I hope you guys get a 100x out of Costa, okay? I hope you do. I just cannot stand that word anymore, even though I keep hearing it over and over and over again in my head. It's ridiculous. Some of us sound... I don't know. LibG said, what have you learned most in crypto trading? P.S. My name means crazy Bosnian. It's Dutch word. Interesting. I've actually never met a Dutch person. Okay. I hopefully maybe one day I can meet a Dutch person, but I've never met someone that's Dutch. I guess I am now. Way too hyped. I'm always hyped. What about most of our trading? Not having emotions. Don't. If you're going to trade, don't trade with emotions. Look at the charts. Don't listen to outside factors. Right? You'll have people hyping you up, saying, if you're especially if you're a swing trader, you have people hyping you up, saying, oh, this is bullish, just because they're invested in it, and it kind of sways your emotions. Where you can have bears, right, that aren't invested in it, and say that it's bearish. Take your own analysis. Don't look at outside factors, and try not to have emotions. That's what I most say. Be an emotionalist person, right? No heart when it comes to investing. That's what I'll say. Trade emotional. Yeah, you can trade emotional too, man. Do that. You get blocked on Twitter. Let's see. Don't fall in love with your coins. That's facts, too. That's facts. Com said, yo, boss, can you peep fuse for bath? For bath water? Sure. We can do that. For bath water. Let's check out bath water. I'm just kidding. What if I typed in bath water? That's disgusting, man. Listen, you guys once asked me if I would rather eat a sock or someone's bath water. It would probably be a sock. I'm not going to lie. It would probably be a sock. You guys asked me that like a long time ago. All right, let me ask you guys in the chat. Okay, would you rather eat Jabba's sock or drink Bob's bathwater? Let me know in the chat. Which one would you rather do? Let me know. No, but Fuse is killing it. Fuse is killing it. I mean, you got. I would say that you got this wick right here. You got that wick, and you're off to the races after that. I mean, after that, you got nothing to the next wick at 263. That's all you got. Simple as that. I mean, he could take the fibs. I'm not going to count that big wick there, that big wick, the wickaroo. But yeah, I mean, 236 is the 1.618, and then after that, you have the next wick at 264. So I would say those are the next two levels. But right now you are making a little bit of bearish divergence, so keep that in mind. You do have some higher highs and some lower highs coming in, right? So keep that in mind. But obviously, if a coin like this is super bullish, you could easily break that. But it's going to be tough to break 90 on the daily RSI. So at some point soon here, you're probably going to have a rollback over. Maybe go a little bit higher, but you might have a rollback over and then a continuation up. Probably something like this, I would say for Fuse, just because the daily's looking a little iffy. 4 hour. Let me move this so I can actually see. That'll be good. I have the eyes of like a 90-year-old. Yeah, you got. It's at the same level. So that 4 hour looks fine. But yeah, Fuse in the daily looks fine. You might just need a little bit of cool off first before you continue up. Let me see what you guys said here. Bathwater. Everyone's going to pick bathwater. Neither. The entire tub. Yeah, you have to drink the entire tub or the sock. One of the two. Just kidding. Not the entire tub. That's crazy. Thoughts on QRDO? I got you on QRDO. We'll do QRDO, and then, Bitcoin's really doing nothing, guys. We'll probably call it a stream after that because there's really nothing much going on, man. And, I'll leave it at that. Jordan pees in the tub. Listen, I don't, but I know people who do pee in the tub. Okay? I don't pee in the tub, though. All right, let's see. So QRDO, just a big consolidation, right? You can see it clear as day. You just higher lows coming in and lower highs coming in. So it's kind of like XRP, just to give you like a high cap example. It's kind of like XRP where you're going to expect to move, January, February. It's just a matter of time, right? You got to give it some patience. It's with everything in crypto right now. Bitcoin, ETH, any high cap, you just got to have patience, right? I'm expecting a move starting back up end of January, beginning of February. Okay, that's when I'm expecting it. You guys know I don't like to make predictions, but I made a prediction for you guys, especially in these boring times. But that's what I would say. End of January, beginning of February for a lot of these. Now, short term, this looks like it's probably going to come back down and test the support. Back down here, right? It's probably going to come back down and test. Move the chat over. I'm working one screen too. It's slightly hard because I have to move the chat over every 2 seconds. 462. Right? 462 would be the support you probably would come back to somewhere around that range. Bounce and then come back up. Right? So keep that in mind for QRDO, whatever that is. QRDO. What a coin. I don't even know what it is. Clappy. All right, let's do clappy one more time for everyone in the chat. I'm still sad that I can't hear it, but here we go. Clappy.
Happy and clappy. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping.
Everyone hates that. No one even said anything in the chat. I pee in public pools. No one said in the chat because they either hate that or they're so intrigued that they can't type in the chat while we watch that. All right, guys, I'm getting off. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for sticking by through the audio issues. That should be fixed tomorrow, obviously, because we have it all set up now. So that should be fixed tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your Friday night if you're doing anything. Most of you guys are crypto nerds, kind of like me. So I understand if you're not doing anything. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stay crypto. Do not panic sell your crypto at support, guys. I will say, do not panic sell your crypto at support. All right? Catch you guys later. Peace. And I'm still up. This is awkward. This is very awkward. I'm still up here. Hold on. There we go.